Magandang buhay po at welcome back dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay magpipresent po ako ng different multiple choice questions as practice test or practice review for this upcoming periodical test. The different questions focused about inequalities in triangle. Okay, so let's start with number 1 question. Which of the following could be a possible measure of the third side of the triangle if the two sides measure 8 meters and 15 meters? A. 7 meters, B. 14 meters, C. 23 meters, and letter D. None of the above. Okay, so pwede po ninyong i-post yung video na ito. Try nyo munang sagutan. Okay, so paano nga po ba sagutan yung question na ito? So given daw yung two sides ng triangle 8 meters at 15 meters, then ano po yung possible na measure ng third side? So ganito lang po yun. So ito po yung dalawa, 15 and 8. So all you have to do ay isusubtract nyo po yung larger measurement sa smaller measurement. So 15 minus 8, the difference is 7. And then another one, you're going to add the two measures. 8 plus 15 or 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. So, mula po dito ay dito po natin kukunin yung possible measurement of the third side. So, yung possible measurement ng third side ay mula po sa 7 hanggang 23 or pagitan ng 7 at 23 na number. Okay, so pwede pong mag-start ng 8 hanggang 22. Yun po yung possible na measurement ng third side. Okay? Mula po sa choices, 7 meters. So, hindi po siya pwede kasi 7 yung given po dito na sagot natin sa 15 minus 8. And then, letter B, 14 meters. So, yung 14 po ba pagitan ng 7 and 23? Yes. So, ibig sabihin, yung sagot po natin ay 14. Tingnan natin yung letter C, 23 meters. So, yung 23 naman po, yan po ay answer dito sa ating addition. So, therefore, hindi ito pwedeng maging measurement ng third side, yung 7 at 23. Yung pwede lang po ay yung 14. Ano po? Yun po yung number between 7 and 23. Okay, so let's have this number 2 question. Which of the following lengths in centimeter are possible measures of the sides of a triangle? Letter A, 1, 3, 4. Letter B, 5, 6, 12. Letter C, 7, 8, 9. And letter D, 6, 9, 17. Okay, so how to answer this question? Sabi po niya, alin daw po dito sa choices na ito ang possible lengths ng sides ng triangle? So according to theorem, kapag pinag-plus natin yung two sides, yung sum dapat greater than the third side. Okay, try natin itong letter A. If you are going to add 1 plus 3, the sum is equal to 4. And yung third side ay 4. So, hindi po siya pwede. Dapat, yung sum dapat dito ay mas malaki sa 4. Ano po? So, ibig sabihin, yung 1, 3, 4 is not possible length of the triangle. Okay, how about letter B? 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6? 11. So, hindi po umabot or hindi greater than 12 yung sagot. Dapat, ang sagot natin dito sa 5 plus 6, dapat yung dalawa, dapat greater than 12. So, 5 plus 6 is 11. So, ibig sabihin, itong letter B is not also a possible measure of the triangle or sides of triangle. Letter C, 7, 8, 9. What is 7 plus 8? 15. Is 15 greater than 9? Yes. So, ibig sabihin, so pwede po ito. Tingnan natin yung letter D. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15 and 15 is less than 17. So, hindi rin siya pwede kasi yung 15 ay hindi siya greater than 17. So, therefore, hindi rin ito possible measures of sides of triangle. So, ang sagot po natin dyan ay letter C. Okay, for number 3 question, which of the following statement is not true about inequalities on a triangle? So, yung question ay hinahanap niya yung not true. Okay? Not true. Ibig sabihin yan, yung A, B, C, D choices, tatlo dyan ay true, yung isa dyan is not true. Yun po yung ating hahanapin, yung hindi po tamang statement dito. Okay, try natin yung letter A. Opposite the smallest angle is the longest side. Is that correct about inequalities in triangle? Opposite the smallest angle is the longest side. I think this is wrong. Bakit po? Di ba po yung opposite ng smallest angle, yun po yung shortest side, hindi yung longest side. Ano po? Kapag maliit yung angle, yung opposite niya ay maiksi din na side. So nakalagay dito si statement A, kapag daw maliit na angle, mahabang side. This is wrong. Tingnan natin yung BCD kung tama kasi meron na po tayong not true, letter A. So sa letter B, opposite the smallest angle is the shortest side. Okay, tama po yon. Yung smallest angle, ang opposite niya ay shortest side. Okay, this is correct. Letter C, opposite the longest side is the largest angle. Okay, tama po yon. Di ba po? Kapag longest side, largest angle. That's correct. Letter D, the measure of exterior angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. And this is correct. Ito po yung theorem ng ano po, exterior angle. So, true po yung B, C, and D. Ang not true ay yung letter A. So, our answer there is letter A. Okay, for number 4 question, which theorems on triangle inequalities states that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of either remote interior angle? A. Hinds theorem. B. Pythagorean theorem. C. Exterior angle inequality theorem. And letter D. Triangle inequality theorem. So, ang theorem po na nag-state ng statement sa question, yan po yung tinatawag nating exterior angle inequality theorem. Okay, for number 5 question. Which of the following describes the relationship of the sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle to the length of its third side? Letter A, less than. B, greater than. C, equal. And D, more than. Okay, balikan po natin yung question. So, ang sinasabi po niya dito ay, which of the following describes the relationship of the sum of the lengths of the two sides of a triangle compared to the length of its third side? Okay? So, anong relationship daw po nung sum ng dalawang lengths dun sa third side? Less than ba? Yung sum ba ay mas mababa dun sa third side? Letter B, yung sum ba ay greater than the third side? Letter C, yung sum ba is equal to the third side? And letter D, more than. Ano po yung more than? Okay, so ito po actually ang more than po ay plus. So pampalito lang po yung choices number o letter D. So ang sagot po natin dyan ay should be greater than. So yung sum ng two sides ng triangle should be greater than the length of the third side. Ano po? So isa po yan sa theorem ulit ng inequalities in triangle. Okay, for number 6 question. In a triangle ABC, measure of angle A is 50 degrees, measure of angle B is 70 degrees. Arrange the sides of the triangle from shortest to longest. So yung question na ito ay hindi natin masasagot without illustrating the figure o ilo-drawing natin yung triangle. So gawin po natin. So ito po yung ating triangle, okay? Kahit na ano po yung form ng triangle. And then pangalanan natin ABC, okay? So A, B, C. And then mula sa given, yung angle A daw, measure of angle A is 50 degrees. So mula dito sa, ito yung angle A natin, lagay natin itong 50 degrees. Okay? So lagay po natin. And then next, angle B is 70 degrees. Ito po yung angle B, lagay po natin dito 70 degrees. Now, i-arrange natin yung sides of the triangle from shortest to longest. So, ibig sabihin, pinaka-maiksi at hanggang pinaka-mahabang side. So, hindi natin makikita. Kailangan i-add muna natin yung dalawa. Dapat makuha muna natin yung measure of angle C. Ano? Para ma-relate natin yung three sides ng triangle. So, paano po makuha? The sum should be 180 degrees. Okay? Dalawa na po yung given. So, makukuha natin. So, i-add lang natin to 50 plus 70 is 120. So, yung 120 na sum niya ay isusubtract natin mula 180. So, if you're going to subtract, so 0, 8 minus 2, that is 6, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So, therefore, 60, ano po, ang measure of angle C. So, lagay po natin 60. Okay. So, mula dito ay ma-arrange na po natin yung sides ng triangle from shortest to longest. Okay. So, pinakamaiksi hanggang pinakamahaba. So, alin po dito sa sides ng triangle ang pinakamaiksi? Of course, ang pinakamaiksi po diyan ay opposite ng smaller angle. Ang smaller angle po natin ay 50, tama po ba? Sa tatlo, 50, 60, 70. So, ang smaller angle natin is 50. Ang opposite side po niya itong BC. So, choices, saan po yung nag-umpisa sa BC? Letter B. Ito po yung BC. So, AB, AC, AB. So, letter B lang po ang nag-start sa BC. Okay. Ito po yung shortest side. Ang kasunod po dito ay opposite ng 60. Okay? Mas malaki sa 50 ay 60. Ang opposite niya ay AB. Ito po yon, tama sa choices B. And the largest side ay 70. Ang opposite po niya ay AC. Okay, this one. So therefore, letter B po yung ating sagot. Okay, for number 7 and number 8, refer to the triangle illustration. Ito po yung ating triangle. We have triangle CAT or CAT. CA measures 8 cm, AT 6 cm, and CT 13 cm. Ito po yung question number 7. What is the largest angle? Okay? Kapag given po yung sides, madidetermine po natin kung alin dyan ang largest angle. Ano po? Yung largest angle ay opposite ng longest side. Ano po yung pinakamahabang side dito? Ito pong 13 cm. Ano po? Kasi 13, 8 at 6. Ang pinakamahaba po ay 13. Ano po yung opposite angle ng 13? Ito pong angle A. So ito po, angle A. So ang sagot po natin dyan ay ito pong letter B, angle A. Okay, for number 8 question, what is the smallest angle? O ngayon naman po sa number 8 ay smallest angle. Again, kung yung largest angle ay opposite ng 13 kasi largest side, okay? Ang shortest side naman ay 6, ang opposite niyang angle ay ito pong angle C. So ibig sabihin, ang smallest angle po dito ay angle C. Yun po yung opposite ng 6 na shortest side. Okay? Angle C, ito po ay letter A sa ating choices. Okay, for number 9 question, find the range of values for x using the triangle inequality theorem. Okay, ito po yung ating figure. So ano po yung range? Pag sinabi po nating range, ano po yung possible values ng x? Okay, so yung range po ng values ng x or side x dito sa ating figure. So kapag ganito pong given yung two sides, makukuha po natin yan. So ang shortcut lang po nito, using triangle inequality theorem, una, isusubtract lang po natin ito. 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Okay? And then next, i-add po natin yung 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So lagay ko po 13. So ibig sabihin, mula sa sagot sa subtraction at sagot ng addition, yan po yung range ng ating values for side x, possible side x. Ano po? So, mula 3 hanggang 13. Sa symbol, saan po natin kukunin? So, kapag ilalagay po kasi natin yung x sa gitna, yan, ganyan po yan. Pag naglagay po tayo, 3 hanggang 13, yung x po ay gitna. So, ibig sabihin, lagyan lang po natin ng parehong less than. So, ang ibig sabihin po nito, 3 is less than x is less than 13. Ang ibig sabihin po niya ay yung x daw po ay greater than 3 at less than 13. Ano po? Sa ating choices, ito pong letter A. 3 is less than x is less than 13. Always ganun po yan. Pinakamababa hanggang pinakamataas. Ano po? 3 to 13. So, susubtract mo lang and then i-add mo. Yan na po yung kanyang range. Okay? So, letter B po kasi ay 5 to 8. That's wrong. Okay? Okay, for number 10 question, solve for x in the given triangle below. So ito po yung ating triangle. At yung triangle, one side ay extended. Ito po. So kapag nag-extend po tayo ng one side, makaka-create po tayo ng angle outside the triangle. Ito nga pong angle. Okay? At yan po yung tinatanong dito sa ating figure. What is the measurement or solve for x? So yung angle x, ang tawag po dyan ay remote exterior angle. Okay? So, paano po ba i-solve ito? Para ma-solve ito, ay i-add lang natin itong two remote interior angles. Ito pong 50 and 60. Kapag pinag-plus natin, yung sum po niya, iyon po yung measurement ng exterior angle X na ito. Okay, if you are going to add, 50 plus 60 is equal to 110. So, X is equal to 110. Yan po ay letter C sa ating choices. Salamat sa pod, kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel. Disclaimer and copyright for this video.